How to make money on people per hour easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by joining to the platform. So first go to freelancer and click on it, and here make sure to select I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, or you can sign up with your Facebook, and here you enter your first name and last name, email as well, and a password. So make sure to choose or to enter a powerful password, then click on sign up, and the email that I provided is already in use, so I'm going to change the email, and here I'm going to sign up. So they've sent an email to our inbox in order to verify our account, so make sure to check that in order to verify your email. So I'm going to check my inbox for the verification email. So here, let's see if we have anything sent to us. If not, click on here, just resend, but let's check first. Let's check the spam folder as well. So there is nothing, so let's click on here to resend, and this is not. So guys, this is it, this is the email, I found it. So after clicking on activate my account, your email will be verified, as you can see, and here you're going to log in with your email again. So I'm going to log in, gmail.com, and then I'm going to enter my password, accept all cookies, enter your password, then log in, and here you complete your profile to join their global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you will need to upload a profile picture, enter your job title, your skills. The maximum is 15 skills, so make sure to use that wisely, and then you describe yourself to buyers. It's like a little bio, and then you enter your location and languages, the languages that you can speak, and then you enter your hourly rate, then you click on submit application, and you wait for your application to get submitted in order to start getting job requests from this platform. And guys, I'm going to show you some of the famous jobs in the platform, like technology and programming. Those are some of the known categories in the platform. So here we have programming and coding, data science and analysis, databases, social media applications, CMS development, email template development, and so on. And then we have the writing and translation as well. It's a high paid category as well. Creative writing, transcription, resumes, CVs and cover letters, translation, ghost writing, content writing as well, technical writing. So all of these are high paying skills or jobs. Then we have design as well, and design is well known like the logo design, books and magazines, cards and stationery, graphic design, cartoon and comics. So for example, let's check one of these services and let's see how much they are getting paid. Let's go for example for email marketing, and let's see how much The email marketers are getting paid per hour. So here we have $110 per hour, $20 per hour, $20 per hour. It's the same person in here. This one gets $85 per hour, $20 per hour, $30. So the price differentiate between from a person to person, and the quality of the service as well differentiate from one to another. And here let's go for the freelance services. So here you can check the freelance services as well. You can browsing. So it's the same like the one we saw before. And here you can check the freelance services by your country. So for example, you can see the freelance services browsing by country. You can hire a freelancer from the USA or the UK. And we can also see the freelance skills. And it's the same category like the one we saw before. Those are the top freelance skills, like I told you before: writing and translation freelancers, technology and programming. So if someone watching this video doesn't have a skill and he's wondering what skill he needs to learn in order to make money, or what skill is more profitable, so these are some top freelance skills. As you can see, technology and programming, writing and translation freelancers, design freelancers as well. Wait a minute to go back. So here, let's click on freelance skills again. And here, as I said, design freelancers as well, design digital marketing freelancers. All of those are making a lot of money from their skills. So for example, let's check marketing, branding and sales to see how much they are making. So this one is not working. So here, sales calls and freelancing, these are some skills. Fundraising freelancers, public relations freelancers. Let's check something about marketing. So here let's go with sales and calls freelancers to see how much they are making. So here, top branding talent, view all freelance sales. I don't know, but the website keeps crashing, but I think you get the idea, guys. So if you want to make money, you'll just need to learn a skill and start selling it in this platform. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.